welcome my dear students to SDL Knowledge Hub channel. So if you haven't subscribed us, please do subscribe. And also share these videos with your friends and give your valuable comments. In today's lesson, we will be looking at the second part of cash book. So let's move on to today's video. Discounts. Discounts is a deduction of a value from a transaction. Discounts can be categorized in two main categories: trade discounts and cash discounts. This can be further divided again as discount received and discount given or allowed. Trade discount is a deduction made from the list price. So this again can be divided as discount received and discount allowed. If the organization, when selling, deducts an amount from its list price, is a discount given or discount allowed. And when it's buying from its suppliers, if there's a deduction from its list price, this discount is known as trade discount received. It is important to note that trade discounts are not recorded in accounts. So it is only the after discounted price is recorded in the accounts as sales or purchases. So trade discounts are not recorded in the accounts. Only the after discounted price is recorded. We will look at some questions regarding trade discounts. First one, list price of the good sold by organization is 100,000. Trade discount is 10%. What is the discount? A. B. What is the value recorded as sales? And finally, is this a trade discount received or allowed? Right? So the answer to the first question, the discount is calculated as 10% of 100,000. So the discount will be 10,000. The value that is recorded as sales is after discounted price. So the list price is 100,000, discount is 10,000. So 100,000 minus 10, 90,000 is the after discounted price. So since this is a sale and the discount is given to the customers, so this is a discount allowed or given. The second question, list price of purchased goods by the organization is 200,000. Discount was 15,000. Again, what is the discount? What is the value recorded as purchases? And is this a trade discount received or allowed? So discount, 15% of 200,000 is 30,000. The purchase value is after discounted price. So list price is 200,000 minus discount 30,000 is 170,000. Since this discount the organization got from its suppliers, so it will be trade discount received as an income. Cash discounts, this is the amount that is deducted from the amount due for making payments if those payments are done within the given period. There are two types of cash discounts: discounts allowed and discounts received. Discounts received is the amount deducted by the creditors of the organization from the amount payable if the business pays within the time allowed. The discount received is an income to the organization. Therefore, the discount received is recorded as discount received account credit and the respective creditor's account will be debited. The discount allowed is a deduction made by the organization if the payment is received from the debtors within the stated period. The double entry for discount allowed is discount allowed account debit, and debtors account credit. Since discount allowed is an expense, so it will be an debit. So if discounts are there, the cash book format would slightly change to include the discounts. So on the debit side, you have a column called discount allowed, and on the credit side, you have column called discount received. So you would see in the screen the format for the cash book with discounts. So discounts are considered as memorandum columns, so they are not part of ledger entries. So therefore, we need to do separate double entries for discounts. So at the end of the period, you need to take the totals of both discount allowed and discount received columns, and based on that total, do the double entry. So the total of the debit side, the discount allowed column in the cash book should be debited to the discount allowed account, stating debtors as the description, and the date will be end of the period. Same way, the total of the credit side, that is the discount received column, total should be credited to the discount received account, stating creditors at the end of the period. Recording of check receipts in the cash book. The organization as payments receive not only cash but also from checks. So these checks may come from debtors and also from outright sales. Now if these checks are not banked on the same day that they receive, then they can be used as currency notes for transactions. Therefore, checks received and issued should be recorded in the cash book, similar to recording receipts and payments of cash. So once these checks are again banked, then it should be reversed from the cash book. So if there are discounts allowed given for the checks received, these also needs to be recorded. So we will look at a question regarding discounts. So the opening balances for cash, debtors, creditors, and capital has been given, and then the transactions that took place during the month of June are given. So based on this, we are required to write up the cash book with discount column and balance of as at 31st June 2021, and write up the ledger accounts that involved in the above cash transactions and balance as at 31st 6 2021. So we will look how to answer this question. First, you have to do the cash book format with the discount columns. Then in the cash book, you can record the opening cash balance on the debit side as balance brought forward 80,000. Then we can start recording the transactions. On 2nd June, bought goods for cash 50,000. So reduce as cash. So on credit side of the cash book, say stating purchases 50,000 credit on 2nd June, and now also open the purchases account and debit for 50,000. In cash received from Ramesh 20,000, since cash balance increases, so debit cash book stating the debtor Ramesh, and open Ramesh's account, put the opening balance and record the cash received from Ramesh in the credit side for 20,000. Then cash sales of 25,000 on 10th June. So debit stating sales for 25,000 and open sales account and credit it for 25,000. Now on 15th June, 10% discount was received when the amount owed to Ravi was settled. So Ravi is a creditor. So first need to find the discount. 10% of 30,000 is 3,000. So the payment actually made by cash is 30 minus 3, 27,000. So we can record this in the cash book. So on the credit side of the cash book, stating Ravi, under discount received column 3,000 and on the amount column on the cash book 27,000, the amount settled in cash. And also we need to record this in the account of Ravi. So open Ravi's account and put the opening balances and record 27,000 as cash and 3,000 as discount received. Then on 18th June, 5% discount was allowed to Ramesh when he settled his due of 16,000. So the discount amount is 800. So we can record this in the debit side because cash is received from Ramesh. So in the discount allowed column 800 and the amount of cash 15,200 stating Ramesh the debtor. Then shop rent paid for 10,000. So again credit cash book for 10,000 stating shop rent account and shop rent account debited for 10,000. 500 discount was deducted when Ravi was settled for 20,000. So again Ravi the creditor being settled, so it will be on the credit side of the cash book. So discount received show as 500 and the amount paid in cash is less 500, 19,500. And in Ravi's account record this discount received 500 and 19,500 as cash. Then Ramesh sent a check for the balance outstanding after deducting 750 as discount. So then we have to know the balance outstanding based on the opening balance and the transactions that happened up to now. So there's a balance outstanding of 12,000. From that 750 has been deducted as a discount. So in the debit side of the cash book, discount allowed 750 and 12,000 minus 750, 11,250 as the amount stating Ramesh. So in Ramesh's account, credit Ramesh for 11,250 as cash and 750 as discount allowed. Finally, 5% discount received when Sahan was settled fully. So Sahan's amount was settled fully. So from 45,000, 5% discount comes to 2,250. So discount received in the credit side 2,250 and amount is 42,750. And open Sahan's account and record the transactions in Sahan's account. Finally, there are two more things to be done. We have to record the discount allowed and discount received ledger accounts. Since discount allowed and discount received are memorandum accounts, so they are not ledger accounts. So take the totals of discount allowed and discount received. So discount allowed total comes as 1550. So open a discount allowed account on the last date stating debtors show as 1550, and discount received account, the total comes to 5750 when you total the discount received column and record that on the last day 30th of June as stating description as creditors.
So, dear students, hope you did get a good understanding about the cash book. So if you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and also share these videos with other children for their benefit. So until such time we meet again with a similar video on accounting and business studies for O levels. Bye for now.